Every billion-dollar luxury leather journey begins with the perfect Brahman bull. Careful nutrition shapes the strength and texture of world-class luxury leather. Brahman bull. Every hide is monitored long before it reaches the factory floor. Brahman bull. Only elite bloodlines qualify for billion-dollar leather production. Brahman bull. Perfect leather begins with nearly flawless natural hide. Automation supports the precision behind industrial-scale cattle conditioning. Even surface cleanliness affects the future value of every luxury hide.
Steady now, boy. Hold right there.
Scale and consistency drive the global luxury leather industry. Modern leather production begins with data-driven livestock management. Modern leather production begins with data-driven livestock management, is controlled to protect the integrity of premium hides. Modern leather production begins with data-driven livestock management. The journey from ranch to factory now begins. Modern leather production precision handling preserves the value hidden within every hide. From remote ranch lands, the billion-dollar leather transformation moves toward the factory. Every billion leather industry moves on roads that never truly sleep. Every hour of transport affects the condition of premium leather hides. The closer the convoy gets, the larger the operation becomes. Industrial precision begins long before the factory gates appear.
Dispatch, lead transport approaching Zone 4. Copy that, lead truck. Proceed to Gate 2.
At the heart of the industry stands the leather manufacturing giant. At the heart of the industry stands the leather manufacturing giant. This facility transforms raw hides into some of the world's most valuable leather. Preparation and cleanliness define every stage of leather manufacturing. The raw material of luxury enters the factory system. Every hide is tracked from ranch arrival to final product. Clean surfaces are essential for flawless leather production. Modern leather factories run on precision tracking and data control. Modern leather factories run on precision tracking and data control. Inside the factory, raw hide enters the world of industrial craftsmanship. An operation of this scale consumes power like a small industrial city. Beyond these gates, precision manufacturing takes complete control. Strict sanitation protects the quality of every future leather sheet. Everything inside this facility is engineered for uninterrupted production. Thousands of precise decisions guide every production cycle. The factory awakens through perfectly timed mechanical rhythm. Even the hidden infrastructure supports flawless leather production. Leather manufacturing depends on a constant flow of industrial materials. Climate control helps preserve consistency throughout the factory. Every section of the factory is connected through real-time industrial data. Beyond every corridor lies another layer of industrial precision. The transformation officially begins on the moving production line of industrial precision. The transformation officially begins on the moving production line of industrial precision. Now the raw material enters the first stage of purification.
The first purification stage prepares the hides for precision processing. Every surface must be stripped down to its purest form. Mechanical precision replaces what once required endless manual labor. Controlled drying protects the integrity of premium leather fibers. Technology now evaluates leather quality within seconds. Human experience still guides the final quality decisions.
Check the grain consistency here, marked as premium grade. Only the finest material continues toward elite leather processing. Precise chemical balance defines the future texture of luxury leather. Controlled environments preserve consistency before transformation begins. Modern factories recycle enormous volumes of industrial water daily. The next stage permanently changes the structure of the leather. Inside the steam, raw material approaches chemical transformation. Inside the steam, raw material approaches chemical transformation. Inside these drums, the transformation truly begins. Hours of chemical precision reshape the internal structure of the hide. Tiny chemical changes can redefine the quality of premium leather. The hides emerge stronger, softer, and permanently transformed. Pressure and precision create the foundation of luxury leather texture. Uniform dimensions prepare the leather for advanced finishing. Controlled tension helps unlock the smooth character of premium leather. Drying stabilizes the leather after intense chemical treatment. Luxury leather must feel as refined as it looks. Experience and touch still define true luxury craftsmanship.
Polishing reveals the signature finish of luxury-grade leather. Technology separates exceptional leather from ordinary production.
Automation now shapes leather with near-perfect consistency. Automation now shapes leather with near-perfect consistency. Automation, every centimeter of premium leather carries enormous value. Even microscopic debris is controlled inside luxury manufacturing. Luxury craftsmanship is measured in the smallest visible details. Color and finish give luxury leather its recognizable identity. Controlled heat locks durability into every leather surface. Perfection is measured under unforgiving industrial light.
Modern treatments protect leather without hiding its natural character. Stability and consistency define world-class leather manufacturing. Every sheet must match exact industrial specifications. Every sheet must match exact industrial specifications. Now the finished leather enters the heart of industrial automation. Automation controls every movement inside the leather distribution network. Machines now coordinate production with relentless precision.
Protection during storage is as important as the production itself.
Global luxury markets depend on uninterrupted industrial coordination. Even storage conditions influence the long-term quality of luxury leather. Continuous maintenance keeps the factory running without interruption. Luxury manufacturing leaves no room for misalignment. Industrial safety protects both workers and billion-dollar production. Every floor inside the facility serves a specialized purpose. Now the leather receives its final luxury refination. The final details now determine the leather's global value. The final polish reveals the true identity of luxury leather. Luxury is often defined by details invisible at first glance. Uniform color separates premium leather from standard production. Durability begins at the smallest exposed surface. Natural grain gives every leather sheet a unique signature. Perfect form requires enormous industrial force. Luxury leather must endure years of use without losing character. Every finished batch carries a traceable production identity. Presentation and protection now become part of the process. The finished leather is now protected for global transport. Automation guarantees consistency even at the final stage. Industrial packaging protects millions of dollars in finished leather. Before shipment, every detail faces one final human review.
Labels and packaging verified. Shipments approved.
Scientific testing now confirms the performance behind the luxury. Before shipment, science verifies every layer of quality. True luxury leather reveals its quality even under magnification. Strength testing predicts how leather will survive years of use. Balanced chemistry ensures lasting softness and durability. Premium leather must withstand extreme environmental conditions. Protective finishing must defend leather without hiding its natural grain. Durability testing separates premium leather from short-lived materials. Luxury color must remain rich for years under constant exposure. Every batch is digitally certified before entering world markets. Only flawless material earns approval for the highest-end markets. Documentation now becomes part of the product itself. After endless testing, the leather is finally ready to leave the factory. The factory now prepares for global distribution. The final stage begins as luxury leather enters the global supply chain. Global luxury begins its final journey from factory to market. Precision loading ensures safe transport across continents. Every shipment is engineered for absolute stability. Once sealed, the journey into global markets officially begins.
Every shipment moves as part of a global logistics rhythm.
The product of precision now enters the world beyond the factory. From factory floor to global trade routes, luxury travels non-stop. The final transformation is global distribution.
Container secure. Lift initiating.
Luxury leather now reaches its final transport stage. From land to sea, the journey continues across the world. What began in ranch fields now moves across oceans. The world experiences the result of industrial perfection. And this is how modern industry transforms raw nature into global luxury.